Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you how you can create best prompt for Hailuo AI. So for that simply open new tab. Now search for Chat GPT. Chat GPT. After that click on that website. Now click on try Chat GPT. Here we need to tell Chat GPT please write a prompt for me. I am creating a rainbow color dragon video using AI video generator. After that, you need to click on that arrow, and here we go. ChatGPT will write a best prompt for us. So we need to simply copy that. Just copy that. Now go to Hailuo AI and paste here. After that, click on that 30 option with the icon. Now wait a little bit. Once your video creation was start, I will share a result of that. Here we go. Our video will be ready in 5 minutes. Once it's get ready, I will show the result. Here we go. Our video was ready. Simply I will click on it. You guys can see our video and prompt. On right side, you guys can see my prompt, and left side, you guys can see video. So you guys can compare it and you will see the result. Hello AI following exact same prompt and make a better video for me. You guys can make even better videos using Helio AI. If your prompt is very good, your video will be that much good. Thanks for watching.